If you make this tandoori gobi once, I can assure you this is going to be a go-to recipe. So let's start making this recipe fast, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can come up with such interesting recipes. जो चलते हैं और शुरू करते हैं हमारी आज की रेसिपी जो बहुत ही मज़ेदार है और वो है तंदूरी गोभी. Let's start with washing the cauliflower. I'm adding water. Good salt. Now wash your cauliflower thoroughly in this water, salt water. Now add some water, a little salt. Now place the cauliflower. Now cover this and cook it till you feel that your cauliflower is almost done. Now we'll start preparing for the marination. 1 small cup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon hot sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon pepper powder. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 1/4 cup cheese. Sprinkle some finely chopped coriander leaves and give all this a good mix. And please tell me from which city, which country you're watching my recipe so that I can say thank you to you. So please comment box में लिखना ना भूलिए कि आप कहाँ से हमारी recipes देख रहे हैं. Now add Kashmiri Red chili to get the color for our tandoori mix. Now let's check our cauliflower. Yes, it's done. So now we'll start the marination. Now transfer this cauliflower into plate. The water which is there in the pan, don't waste this water. This is a vegetable stock now and you can use it for any of your curries. Now let's start applying the marinade. Make sure you cover the entire cauliflower with this marinade. On the other side and apply the marinade on the other side as well. Both sides should have equal marination. Now I'm adding little extra cheese for that creamy texture. In case you don't like extra cheese, you can just skip this step. Now I will roast this cauliflower at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. If you don't want to use oven, you can do the same thing on a tawa. I made this yummy chutney for dressing. To make this dressing, I have taken coriander leaves or dhania, peanuts, green chilies, garlic pods, mayonnaise, pomegranate seeds, grated cheese and salt, and I blended it into a fine paste. Now cauliflower is ready and let's start dressing. You can see how beautiful this looks. So let's start dressing our plate. First add the green chutney that we made. Place our gobi, pomegranate seeds. Now I'm adding little coriander leaves and little pumpkin seeds. Our yummy delicious tandoori gobi is ready. So please make this recipe, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So see you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.